I read online this day where somebody was criticizing that WIKE is possessed with the spirit of flyovers. That instead of him to pay salaries, pensioners, and gratuities, he's building flyovers everywhere. If you like, go to this day. If you like, go to Arise. Whatever you want to say, say. The people of the state are happy. And that's what matters to me. Now, instead of them to praise us that we're not taking the money as a government that's living, we are still commissioning and flagging off projects. So those of you who are not happy, well, you choose not to be happy. We will choose to be happy. And we are very happy. I am fully in charge. I'm not that kind of governor. Anybody can go to Abuja and hold meeting. I'm not that kind of governor. I'm fully in charge here. If you say I'm not in charge, put your head. If you say I'm not in charge, put your head. And see when you will come out. Each day you open television, you turn on your television, WIKE. Even when WIKE is not interested in what they are talking, but they're still. Some people now make these television houses to make money. What they do now, look, I want to appear tomorrow in channels. I want to appear. What will you say, WIKE? Because if you don't talk WIKE, the candidate will not know you are supporting him. So the only way the candidate will know you are supporting him, go to channels, go to Arise, go to AIT, and say WIKE.
As he see with you, in the bend that WIKE with your designers, he go dey pepper them.
No, but whether you like it or not, if you don't wear it, which state will wear? You know, I told you we'll do so many things that they will not sleep well. You know, one of my friends called me the other day that they were watching television. His husband turned on the television. I think that was channel. They said, see WIKE. He said, oh, put it off. He said, put the NTA. See WIKE. Oh, go and put Arise. WIKE, please. There's a good TVC. WIKE. So I said, the wife said, my brother. So, if you're angry like this, so you mean in this house we won't watch television again? Leave it, I beg. Why are you angry? Why not tell your own state to be appearing like this? Leave it. People like to hate people. The truth of the matter is that if you can't beat them, you join them. You know, the state will listen to me. Abraham, the state will listen to me. And that's why those who don't pass well, that's their problem. You say one thing, they say different thing. I didn't say I'm in charge of the votes. I said I'm in charge of Rivers State. That means Rivers people will listen to me. When the time comes, you that you say you are there, don't kill yourself. The time is coming. They say, grand day, they argue, now who go win for wrestling. Hey, look at the grand wrestle now. Let's know who will win.
As he dey pain them, he dey see with us. As he dey see with us, he go dey pain them. He dey pain them. Yeah, he dey see with us. So as he dey see with us, he go dey pain them.
You know,
As I'm watching me on television now, it is painted. That is all. And it is sweet. When they see me appear like this, it is painted. And I promise them, I'm here to bury them. As he depend them, he dey sweet us. As he dey us, he dey pay. Oh yeah, say as he depend them, he dey sweet us. As he dey sweet us, he go dey pay. Hey yeah yeah, as he depend them, he dey sweet us. As we get there here, he go bury them.
Back to
sender, back to sender.
So, people, I don't want to discuss them. I've told people, allow the sleeping dog to lie. Because when you don't allow the sleeping dog to lie, you too, you will not sleep. By the time we begin to turn Nigerians our people, those whose DNA you see betrayal, those who will fall on the altar and pretend as if they are close to God than anybody. All that is enough. Enough is enough. So, if he didn't dare, he didn't dare.
I said, don't mind them.
So, what you don't have, you don't have. What you don't have, you can give. Do you understand me? If you don't have the capacity, there's nothing you can do. Because we have capacity, we are showing it. If you have, come and show. No, so if you have, come and show. When I hear people declaring for APC, saying that they want to continue the good job of Mr. President, the good job of people dying every day, the good job of Naira falling every day, I feel so ashamed that we have gotten to the level where sacrificing, people will come and say, look, I want to continue the good job of Buhari. What is the good job of Buhari? Of hunger is a good job. Of poverty is a good job. Of insecurity is a good job. Of the economy falling is a good job. It's such a shameful thing. I can't believe that somebody will come out in today's Nigeria and say, I want to continue where Mr. Buhari has stopped. May God forgive. May God never allow that people to continue to.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.